Yeah, hello students, good morning and welcome back to Sri Sai Adhan classes UAE branch. And the topic what we were discussing is about polynomials, grade 10 CBSE part D. So now you can see the question that tells you, ask you about the find the zeros of the polynomial, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, and you need to verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. You need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. The question given to you is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Coefficient of s square is 4 and the last term is 1, constant term. 4 times 1 is 4. Factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 times 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 minus 4 or 1 plus 4 is 5 or 3, you will get it, negative. But the middle term is negative 4. So here if I take minus 2 times minus 2, so I will get positive 4. Minus 2 and minus 2 I will get minus 4, which exactly suits with the middle term and the last term after multiplication. So here I write as 4s square minus 2s plus 1. So 2s I will take common. 2s is left from 4s square minus 1. Here I take minus 1 as common. Minus came out, so 2s from plus minus is coming out, so minus 1 is left. So what are the common factors? 2s minus 1 and afterwards again 2s minus 1. So here how to find out the zeros? The first 2s minus 1 will be equal to 0. 2s will be is equal to transpose negative 1 to the right hand side, so it will become positive. S will be is equal to 1 over 2. Similarly, 2s minus 1 equal to 0. 2s will be equal to 1 and s will be is equal to 1 over 2. So what are these? These are the zeros of the polynomial. Now what we need to do? We need to verify. We need to do the verification part. So we will write the side as verification. We write the side as verification. Earlier for the verification part, we have used this formula. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to negative b by a. Product of the zeros, alpha times beta is c by a. So what is the given question to you here in the verification part? That is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So here A will be 4, B will be negative 4 and C will be equal to 1. Sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. What is alpha here you got? Alpha here we got as 1 over 2, beta here we got as 1 over 2. So alpha is 1 over 2 and beta is 1 over 2. Denominators are same. Add the powers, which will be is equal to 2 over 2 equal to 1. And according to our formula, sum of the zeros is minus b over a. What is minus? What is b? B is negative 4. And what is a? 4. So 4 over 4 will be equal to 1. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, hence proved. Next part we got alpha times beta. Alpha times beta. Alpha is 1 over 2. Beta is 1 over 2. 1 time 1 is 1, 2 time 2 is 4, 1 over 4. And here you got C over A. What is C? How much is the value of C? C is 1, A is 4. So C is 1, A is 4. So alpha times beta and C over A both are verified. So this is the way how we will find out the zeros of the polynomial and do the verification part. If suppose the question is given to you as option number 5 I am doing, if the option is given as t square minus 15, t square minus 15, how are you going to solve this part? To solve this part, I am writing in the solution as t square minus root 15 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, 15 I will get. So a square minus b square it is. So a minus b and a plus b I will get. They have identity. A minus b times a plus b. So t minus negative 15 to t minus root 15 is equal to 0. Then t is equal to root 15. Similarly, t plus root 15 equal to 0. T equal to negative root 15. What are these? These are the zeros of the polynomial. What are these? These are the zeros of the polynomial. Now we'll do the verification part. Now we will follow the verification part. Keep the heading as verification. So in verification, point number 1, alpha plus beta. What is alpha? You got root 15. Plus what is beta? You got negative root 15. Plus root 15, negative root 15 is 0. Similarly, what they have given? Minus b over a. What is the equation they have given? Expression t square minus 15. T square minus 15. So here a is 1, b is not given 0, and c will be equal to negative 15. And c will be equal to negative 15. So minus of 0 over a is 1. So 0 over 1, the answer is 1. Next, alpha times beta. Square root of 15 times square root of negative 15. 15 times 15, square root gets cancelled. So you are going to get root. Root gets cancelled. Then you will get minus 15. Alpha times beta, c over a. How much is c over here? C is negative 15 and A is 1. When you do not have a denominator, we will take the denominator as 1. When we do not have denominator, we take the denominator as 1. So alpha times beta is negative 15 over 1. C over A is also negative 15 over 1. So hence we have verified the relationship between zeros. Hope I am very clear, my dear students. So next part will be the homework part. That is option number 6. Try to do that. So what is the question given here? 3x square minus x minus 4. So same, you need to find the zeros of the polynomial and you need to verify the relationship. Hope you all understood, students, regarding the finding out the zeros and verifying the relationship between the zeros and their coefficient. Thank you very much, students. Meet you soon.